coaching thought for the day is tip number 3 for how to become an instructional coach. So today's tip is all about taking on additional responsibilities. So is there something you can do within your building that you can start building more of your skills? So I'm not talking about things like a dance chaperone. Now, that's good, but that's not going to build up your skills as a coach. We're looking for things that build up our skills as a coach and also build our resumes. So, for instance, maybe you can be a team leader, because when the time comes for you to be an instructional coach, you have to know how to build teams. So that would potentially further your abilities and just add to your strengths and experiences. Also, something like maybe testing coordinator. Speaking as someone who did testing coordinator for a while, it's not easy. It's not for the faint of heart, but it is an opportunity for leadership. If there are some other administrative tasks that you can assist with, those are the sorts of things I would encourage you to take on and consider doing if you want to be an instructional coach, because again, it just adds more experience, not only to your resume, but also just practical things. You can talk more when an interview comes about how you collaborate with others, about how you've shown leadership, all that good stuff.